I am alive, I am alive again. I am live, playing some Hitman. Like the editor or something, I don't know. Is it free? Is it something that someone knows about? I don't know. Press X. I am connected. So yeah. I already played a bit of this game through remote play and it was pretty cool. So... Peekaboo! Thank you for that retweet. I don't know if you're here. But let me just fix up the chat real quick. Why did it say PlayStation Store there? Why? Sorry, I was in a area, I was on the Symlink area and it doesn't want to display my email, so yeah. There's some things you shouldn't see. It's my secret email, okay? It's an email that's private. That's private for everything use, companies and accounts and everything, so yeah. I won't let anyone see that. Not publicly. This is pretty weird. You can actually unlock and lock the frames per seconds. Weird, right? Okay. As you can see, I haven't really done nothing. See? 0 and stuff. So it's still pretty new, the Paris. I just played most like the ICA facility. So yeah. You guys should see this first on the stream. I already seen it, but...
Good evening, 47. Your destination is the Paris Fashion Show by Sanguine, one of Europe's leading couture brands. Your targets are Sanguine owner Viktor Novikov, a former oligarch turned fashion mogul, and his partner Dalia Margolis, a retired supermodel, an iconic power couple on the global fashion scene, and two of the most dangerous people in the world. Novikov and Margolis are in fact the ringleaders of Iago, an enigmatic spy ring that deals in the global elite's most valuable secrets. Unscrupulous and opportunistic, Iago has caused disastrous security leaks all over the globe. When Crimean separatists caused a deadly meltdown at the Odessa nuclear power plant, Iago gave them access to the plant's security network. And when the Delgado drug cartel shot down the plane of President Hernandez and his family, Iago provided the classified flight plans. Now Novikov and Margolis have obtained a knock list of British undercover agents, which they plan to sell at a secret Iago auction during the Sanguine show. So our client, MI6, need us to stop the ringleaders before the knock list ends up in the wrong hands. The Sanguine show will be swarming with security, and Viktor Novikov will be the focus of everyone's attention. But despite his posturing, he is merely the money man. The real target is Dalia Margolis. Beautiful and brilliant, she is a master manipulator and the true brains behind Iago. Two targets, a highly public event. At first glance, an impossible task. Then again, I do know how you love a challenge. I will leave you to prepare.
Mission active. Don't worry, it's not starting right now. We're first going to select our gear and our package thing, the smuggle item. Let's see, what should be the smuggle item? One is open, because you need to unlock the other things. I don't know how you do that. Maybe you finish and stuff, I don't know. So here you can choose whatever you actually have. Like here I found these weapons, right? Last time I played I found these two. I didn't win, but I found these two, so I can actually light them down. Hello, Rocco. I can actually light them down in this package, so I can find it there, later take it up. But this is the weird thing, you can actually not begin with the fiber wire. You can also make you not even have the fiber wire. Weird, right? So right now, let's see, what should we put in here? Maybe we should... I don't think we need the coin right now, right? No, not really, right? Let's try the other weapon. This one that was from the pre-order. The Hitman blood money thing. The awesome weapon. Classic. Let's see, let's try a lockpick. Should be great to have, right? And the fiber wire is, of course, important. But let's try to use the Requiem suit, you know, the ending or the really beginning of Hitman Blood Money, you know, when he has the white thing when he's lying there. Yes. And let's select the starting location. As you can see, all of them are locked. Complete additional challenges to unlock. So there's places you can actually spawn in, but right now there's only the main entrance. So let's start in the main entrance. Let's play. Yes. This is going to be great. This game actually looks pretty amazing, even though I just played it in a little screen. Right now I'm playing in the big screen. It should look even better. The dog is weird. The loading screen's a bitch. It takes too long to load. It is a while to load a big map as Paris. I've just been in like the open area. You can actually go further away. Like you choose how you assassinate. Like in the old games, but this is just a lot bigger than ever before. Like many places to go, far up, far down, over everywhere. Seriously big. Literally big. Really big. But this is just the first episode. After this one, we're gonna try all other ways of finish challenges, find all the gears, find all the weapons, find all the secrets, find everything, all the intels, all the ways and everything. Let's try that out. And it should take days to do, actually. So when the next episode comes out, I don't know.
The show is just about to start. This is the red carpet event of the season, and the guest list is a veritable who's who of the global fashion elite. You will find Viktor Novikov basking in the spotlight of Iago's top customers. Now, event security will keep a watchful eye on any suspicious activity, but I trust your timeless look shall fit right in. Good luck, 47.
Good luck, 47. That is. Thanks for that favorite. There doesn't seem to be an opportunity here, but you can listen, but I don't want to do that.
Yeah, thanks a lot, man. Real considerate. You mind staying out of my shot?
No. So let's see if we can find other ways to actually... Wait, let's just see where the thing is, where the dock, where I placed it. Let's see if we can actually find it somewhere. Aha! It's right inside here. Is it downstairs? No, it is here. On the first floor. Oh, yeah, this is downstairs. This is just further downstairs. This is... like... Wait. Wait, so it's just right in there in the stairwell? Just what? Seriously? Don't talk very easily.
Welcome, sir. Enjoy the show.
Thank you. He doesn't care I have this these clothes.
There he is. That's Novikov.
That is Viktor Novikov, head of Sanguine and ringleader of Iago. Quite the resume.
As you can see, there's a lot of ways. Even right there, you can make that fall and stuff.
Congressman. A pleasure asking you. And make sure to join Dahlia.
Haha, my duck bomb!
There's someone who's like
Yes. Let's see how that works, because it should be pretty funny. Like, if I throw it, will everyone be scared, or will they not notice like it is a bomb? That's one thing I'm trying to figure out. I am trespassing, as you can see down there. It says trespassing, so they can see me like right there. Everyone can recognize me trespassing with these clothes. Or maybe not some. Why can that guy not see me trespass? What are they doing? Let's see if I can just save here and just try to kill everyone. That's the dog. He always wants attention, right?
What do they know?
What's wrong with her?
Everything's fine. No, everything is not fine. They are treating me like... What?
Ska vi inte Rocco? I hate when the dog is so annoying. I just want a cat. Look at his ear, oh my gosh. Look at this! It looks funny. Okay then. Let's see. Plaza Star. Aha! Let's see. Where's that axe? Oh yeah, it's over here, right? Yes, I remember I saw it. Let's see. Okay, I don't think you can have this in your... No, see? Visibly arm. You cannot change the thing. It has to stay on there. So... See? Look at this dog. Vad vill du? Vad vill du, Rocco? Vad vill du, Rocco? Vad vill du, Rocco? Vad vill du? Vad vill du? No. Let's see.
What the? Is anybody there?
I think you heard someone.
All right, show yourself. What was that? Will you cut that out?
Okay. I will... Ho ho ho. Guess what? No one saw that. Okay, so this guy is a stylist. So he can go in there with the style thing. But the plaza staff, it can go into more places if I remember correctly. Let the dog play. Wait, where did the other guy go? Aha, crowbar. That is useful. I need to keep that. That guy is just standing there, no, sitting there. So let's just kill him real quick. What was he doing here? Why can't I... Oh, I could like poison the food? I guess so. Oh. Area being investigated? Why? Oh, because of the radio. Okay, I was like, what? Did Eli investigate some people dead or something? How did they find them then? Now you're dead as well. Why is this game stopping up like that? Oh, the one guy can see me. No longer. Ah.
Say what? What the hell is that doing there?
Oh, I know. I hold R1 so often. It's just like, wait. No. I am just killing everyone. No one will find out.
Whoop-de-doo. It's me. I think I found a dead bot.
Aha. What is this? Fuse box, right? Yes. Ah. Oh, it's a good job. Now they cannot keep any recordings of you. That's great. So now I can actually go where the cameras are and do criminal things and they won't find out. And they have no evidence. Ooh. Dog keeps on jumping on the bed. It's so annoying. Am I allowed to have the shotgun? That's the thing I'm wondering. I'll go upstairs. I am allowed, right? I am allowed to have the shotgun. Am I? I am! Ah! Yes. Am I allowed to go upstairs? gosh, Rocco. I am, right? Am I allowed? I'm a security guard.
Never enough security.
There's never enough security. You are right. There's never enough. And there's an assassin around. Because I am the security.
Hey, brother, what's up?
Hey, brother.
Brand owner, star model making outrageous demands, check. Out of hairspray, check.
And you know what? I wouldn't want it any other way.
Nope. There is no place like show business.
The dog is still stupid. Rocco, kan du ligga där? Slapp av, okej? Jag ska inte spela, men alltså, du kan ju hoppa upp och ner. Ja. May I ask what just happened? Now let's see. The pale dog. Oh no, not now, not now, are you stupid? I didn't mean to do it right there. Just try to hold on to see if it would say like a menu, so I could like tell you guys, oh yeah, this is why the crowbar is important, and I didn't know I was going to do that. So let's just go back. The Rocco was It's like just frozen. Windows 98 frozen. It's still loading. Loading like crazy. There we go.
Huh? Wow. Never knew this stuff was so complicated. What's this one for?
Yeah, that's a fireworks remote. I wouldn't touch it if I were you. Look, Novikov's expecting a heads up before we trigger the display, so we can watch it from the garden. One broken.
Stop right there. What the? Now let go of the body, okay? Shit. Please.
I was never here, okay?
Hello? We might need an ambulance down here. I just found someone on the ground.
That's going to make a problem if he wakes up, so... Rocco? Lykte? Lykte? Du?
We don't know what that was. Stay alert. You got that? Done here. Let's move on.
Somebody help me! Please, somebody help!
See something?
I think something terrible has happened!
Leave it to me. You stay put, alright?
Hey! We need backup!
Stay on your toes.
Haha!
Calling command. Do you copy? We got possible multiple homicides on our hands. Stay alert.
I'm just killing everyone, ain't I?
Better lock and load. Hey, you! Yeah, you! What's this? Right there! Your history, you bald asshole!
No! Stupid. I am stupid. By the way, the camera is going a bit like that. That's why it looks like that. I can't fix it right now, sorry. Yeah. This game is fun. No, that's not possible. Look at this. Happened yesterday. I'm not bleeding though, but look. Ouch. Oh no! The app for the chat crashed. Looking at the dog. You little cutie, but you're stupid. Hey, what?
It's me. I think I got a dead body here.
She's right above me. Oh gosh. I am a genius. Let's say right here, just in case. I got away. Look, here's one of the rooms that something can lie in. Oh wait, no. That's about where they lie stuff in that they found. Like if there's an weapon somewhere.
Can't say that I've had the pleasure. So is she dazzling, as they say? Sure, yeah. She unnerves the hell out of me.
Something about her stare freaks me out. It's like she knows everything you're thinking.
I got news for you. All women know what men are thinking.
No, not like this. She's like a spider, watching, waiting to cocoon you and devour you slowly.
All women watching, waiting to cocoon you and devour you slowly. It's called marriage.
Wow. Daniela really did a number on you, didn't she? Just wait until you meet her yourself. You'll see what I mean.
Get your ass in gear. That wasn't an accident. Got it.
Hold your fire! It's disappeared! At it, now. Command, I heard gunshots.
What the?
Calling command, do you copy? We have a killer among us.
But don't let the bright colors lead.
Nope, no way.
Son of a bitch! An eye for an eye, you murdering maniac!
Slice them.
Nice
Oh my
and
God.
slow. Crap! Listen up! You!
way.
Drop the shotgun right now!
What the hell is going on?
Not this thing!
No. What do you have to do? Yeah.
Go, man. We have a dead body. Oh!
Calling command. Do you copy?
Ours is not to question. No! We need backup!
What the fuck?
Requesting assistance! We got a situation here!
Places and people. Present design suggests
This is just too gory, dude. I love the Hitman games. Look at this, how much items I have now.
False alarm, guys. Keep eyes open.
Got it. Show's over.
Command
Oh.
securing scene now.
Now is the show over? That's the question. Because I really think the show isn't over. Not yet.
Huh? What's that? Command! Someone's making trouble. Possibly high on drugs.
Rocco, itch. Good enough. That's why I don't want a dog. It just does that all the time. It's so annoying. What is here? Wait. I want to finish this before I go for a walk with the dog. I have a lot of time. So yeah. Interesting. Let's do something fun. Just shoot. And he's... What? What happened? Where? crime noticed. They have no idea where. More screwdrivers. That's great. Now, let's see. Ah, a coin! Look at all this.
Okay, let's see.
It's my coin. Thank you. Oh, what if I just dropped in right over? Should we do it? Just dump it? Let's see. I'll save the same place I saved last time and just dump it. This is going to look great. Look at this.
Oh no, oh no! No, that's not good.
Uh-oh. Body found.
What the?
What the heck? This is genius. I am a genius. I'm just killing everyone. Should just drop my pale duck. Huh. If only I could throw him over there. Where is... The one target is there. There's the other one. Where's Novakov? Let's see if we can find Novakov. There is Victor Novakov. Oh. Is he coming into the game? Wait, this is great, this is great. This is great. Come on.
You heard that too, right? Don't just stand there, go investigate.
Can do.
I didn't think it would end up so far. I thought it was going to fall down where they are. So I could just explode it. I said, oh, okay, it's just a rubber duck. He has it now, right?
Time to find Dahlia Margolis.
Dahlia is the only one left. Yes, that was awesome. He was like, it's just a rubber duck. I want to see that archived. That was awesome. This is just a rubber duck. Boom! It explodes.
Right in front of my eyes. Stay alert. Roger.
What?
What? No. That's not what it's supposed to do. Just. Let's just kill him.
Where's the tango?
Not what I wanted to do. Not at all. No. No. Want to, like, and it's not always possible. That was pretty cool in the Absolution, though. The thing. It's great, like, they don't literally get rid of it, though. It's still a feature that you can choose to do. This is awesome. Yeah. I'm tired. A bit. Don't worry, it's just a dog. Combat? Why?
Hit the ground, he's taking it!
Comprehensive reading. Where's the target going? Like, the target can't escape, right?
Check the attic.
Dad? What the point the goddamn circus at?
Get the perp now!
He's freaking gone! See him, anyone? Man, be advised of casualties. Stay alert and see the car.
No, no.
I like going down, you can't see me.
Requesting medevac ASAP. We gotta catch him. We need backup!
Just
Stop moving. Shoot it again.
Ooh, a new explosive.
butch up. We gotta get out. Roger.
Give him the screwdriver. We're all not telling you again.
Body count. This is just too great. I am able to kill everyone. They're like, the gas is just falling down. What? Where does she go when she's scared? Oh, she goes this way.
That is Dahlia Margolis, supermodel turned spy master. Both targets are down. Great work. Now head towards an exit.
She's found down here. Now I just need to exit. This has been great. All I've done is just kill everyone. Now let's just continue killing everyone. He's the only one with a gun in there. So let's just save and then shoot everyone. Oh no, this is going to be bad. And the same in the Hitman servers. I like, if I play on another PlayStation with the same user, I get the saves again. I don't know. Like I said, I was going to kill everyone.
Oh, Jesus. Oh,
There's no one upstairs left. Whoa.
Shit, he's right there!
It's me. Someone's causing a public commotion.
Oh my god! Hey, idiot! Drop the blade! That means down, dickhead!
Shit! Command! Situation's still not sure.
Hey, what?
Oh, you got it.
This is just too much.
I'll get the body back and throw it away. Command, got a casualty. Proceeding with caution.
Ja, det händer något. Ja. How do we reload? I forgot. Oh, okay. I'm just killing everyone, ain't I? I'm too good at Hitman. I don't need to be a silent assassin. Actually, I need a bit, but I don't need to make it a perfect. Oh, I actually have keys and stuff. Okay, I'll do it this way. The reason is this. No, 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 no. No, no, I was going so good. No. Where did they come from anyway? That's a good question. Rock is just destroying my bedroom. Okay. But isn't far off, not at all. Wait a minute. No one is watching yet. That is weird. Time sounds a bitch.
I'm not sure I know you, sir.
Are you not sure if you know me? Do you really want to know?
Understood. Containing and setting course.
Wouldn't be surprised if there's been a murder. God. There's been more than a murder.
Hey, asshole. Drop the knife. That means now, dipshit.
You just took another human life. How could you do such a terrible thing?
I'm hit!
No! They're too good. No! No! Oh! No! 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 No, 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 I didn't press replay, no! I want to do load. So let me just go back so I can actually load. Nej, rocka. Lite gött. Så.
Welcome to Paris, 47. The show is just...
Show is just about to start. I know.
It's about to start.
What I want to do now is to go to load. Thank you, Diana. Yeah, loading. Everyone knows it's loading, it's loading. It's always loading. There. That's one. That's the one I want to go to. A bit tired. Well, the guys are over there.
That was a gunshot. You know what to do.
On it.
It's me. Hello? Someone answer, please. I need help. Look. He's trained. Dispatch. There's been a murder. What the? I need help over here. Blank is that? Yes. Come on, go! My direction.
Oh my god! Is there anyone who can help? Please?
Calling command. Do you copy? We got multiple bodies on the look. Command! Pete! Mike, where the hell are you? We've got multiple bodies on the ground. Someone go to the dirt. Shoot the punk!
Wilco.
Oh god. I knew it. I knew it. Hello, when I put the hand this way, it goes the other way.
What the hell?
Holy shit. It's me. I got a body on the ground. This doesn't look good.
What the fuck?
Pacify the shit!
No, gosh. No, guys, news, no, 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 no. Now, you know what I'm just going to do? I'm just going to end it. Because why not? Okay. Everything just. Get Witchen! Ik leer me voor deze job. Ja? Hallo, even weer klaar? Hallo, even weer klaar? Nee. God, nee, zo daar. Ach, hoor, oké. Ja? Wees stil. Wees stil, ellende. De dag. I got glasses and I love them. Because without glasses, I can't even see my own face on the stream. I can't even say what it says down there, you know, where it says loading and you can't see it. I can't see any names of any countries on the... I'm just going to save here, so we can play stupid way other times. So I'm just going to end. on with Paris. Paris one day earlier.
How was Moscow?
Kamarov is gone. I set him up as a Langley spy. It's quite the scandal at the FSB. His death will not be investigated.
That's me! Oh, just kidding.
Very well. The secrets of the global elite. 5 years of work. Everything we've collected. This thing makes WikiLeaks look like a gossip rag. The pen beats the sword, huh?
I have found that whoever wields the sword decides who holds the pen. Smile, Victor. Your reputation is safe. Now run along. I'm sure you have pretty dresses to attend to. Victor, good luck with the show. I have a feeling it's going to be the one you will be remembered for.
Yep. He knew it. I was going to kill him. Levels? Wait, what? Mastermind. Money man. An invitation upstairs. Playing with fire. Lights out. Level? Why is there levels? Is that the only thing I unlocked? Really? Rating. Objective complete. 20,000. Never spotted. 0. Never spotted. 0. Oh, 91x. Whoa, look at all that loose. Look at all the score I lost. It made me have 0. 45. 455. Now that's a lot. But I level 3 now, so yeah. So now Victor Novikov and she is dead. So now what? Just replan, play it again, different ways. This time try to make it so I actually get some real points afterwards. Now I have other things, right? To use. Now it actually can be on the shed. Cool. But the other thing is just going inside and take it. It's nothing. So let's see if there's other things like weapons. Okay, that's the only primary. Or concealed, you know. What about here? Okay, all the same. So there must be another pickup weapon, right? No new pickup weapons? Seriously? Let's see. I have this duck. I love the duck. It's awesome. Okay. Let's see if we can actually change the starting location now. Aha! There should be different starting outfits, right? No. Yeah, just like this, right? Let's try. Play. Let's see how the spawn actually looks like. Does this say? Oh, old thing. There's no one around, but still I am talking. Because why not? I might upload this to YouTube afterwards as an arcade stream. So yeah. Well prepared. Okay, that's a new trophy. Ah, okay. Oh, I start as one. That's smart. Really smart.
Oh, come on. Pays well. You've been eaten by more famous people tonight than in any other restaurant could dream of, so.
Wow. Okay, you like catering, I get it. But when I finished culinary school, catering was not exactly what I had in mind.
Please, you're a whore like the rest of us, okay?
No, I just need to smoke some weed now.
He just needs to smoke some weed now. Okay, that makes sense. When does someone actually need to smoke weed? No one needs to smoke weed. Wait, Lection is live? That's weird. I never seen him live. Interesting.
Hey, stop that. Just stop.
Alright.
You mean antiques, dummy? It's a museum.
No, I mean,
What? Okay, back to doing my thing.
Hey, come out, whoever you are. This is the police. You're acting really weird, man.
Are you serious? Okay. Ay, caramba! This game is actually really fun, I'll say. I love the Hitman games. It's just it's fun to play.
Yeah, our shift is not done, okay? We still need the emergency delivery. Be here soon.
This catering gig is tough. I never thought I'd...
Come on. Pays well. Your food has been eaten by more famous people tonight than in any other restaurant could dream of.
Look at this.
Wow. Okay, you like catering, I get it. But when I finished culinary
Okay, I actually need to stop the stream right here. I'll be streaming again later. Okay? Okay.